gaming, once confined to arcades and niche subcultures, has transcended its humble origins to become a global phenomenon. In recent years, the gaming industry has experienced unprecedented growth, captivating millions of people worldwide. This article explores the various aspects of gaming, its impact on society, and the potential benefits and drawbacks associated with this form of entertainment. By delving into the diverse facets of gaming, we can gain a comprehensive understanding of its significance in today's digital age. The gaming industry has come a long way since the early days of Pong and Pac-Man. Today, it stands as one of the most lucrative sectors of the entertainment industry, surpassing the revenues of movies and music combined. Technological advancements have paved the way for immersive experiences, with cutting-edge graphics, virtual reality, and augmented reality transforming gaming into a truly interactive and captivating realm. Furthermore, the accessibility of gaming has increased significantly, with mobile gaming providing a platform for millions of casual players worldwide. Contrary to popular belief, gaming has numerous positive effects on individuals and society as a whole. First and foremost, it serves as a potent tool for education and skill development. Many games encourage problem-solving, critical thinking, and strategic planning, fostering cognitive abilities and enhancing creativity. Additionally, multiplayer online games cultivate teamwork, collaboration, and communication skills, as players coordinate their efforts to achieve common objectives. Gamification, the application of gaming elements to non-gaming contexts, has proven effective in diverse fields such as healthcare and corporate training, motivating individuals and enhancing their engagement. Moreover, gaming has the potential to bring people together. Online gaming communities create social connections, enabling individuals from different cultures and backgrounds to interact and forge friendships. These virtual communities also provide a safe space for self-expression, as players can freely explore their identities and interests without fear of judgment. While gaming has numerous advantages, it is essential to acknowledge potential drawbacks and concerns. One significant concern is excessive gaming, leading to addiction and neglecting other aspects of life. This issue particularly affects vulnerable individuals, such as adolescents, who may become consumed by their virtual worlds, compromising their academic performance and interpersonal relationships. It is crucial for individuals and society to foster a healthy balance between gaming and other activities. Gaming can sometimes be associated with sedentary behavior, leading to a more inactive lifestyle. Prolonged periods of sitting and lack of physical activity can have detrimental effects on overall health. To mitigate this concern, game developers are increasingly incorporating physical activity elements into gameplay, promoting movement and exercise. Another concern is the potential for exposure to violent or inappropriate content in certain games. While most game ratings and parental controls help address this issue, it remains essential for parents and guardians to be actively involved in monitoring the games their children play and guiding them towards age-appropriate and educational experiences. Gaming has undoubtedly revolutionized the entertainment landscape, offering immersive experiences, educational benefits, and social interactions. However, it is crucial to strike a balance between gaming and other aspects of life, ensuring it remains a positive and enriching activity. As the gaming industry continues to evolve, it is essential to address concerns such as excessive gaming and content appropriateness to maximize the benefits while minimizing the potential drawbacks. With proper understanding and responsible engagement, gaming can be a valuable and enjoyable part of our lives. Here are some questions for you to answer. Feel free to pause, take your time to think about. Then answer the question. I will provide appropriate answers after. Question 1. Do you enjoy playing games? Why or why not? Pause now and try to answer the question. Playing games is a favorite pastime of mine for several reasons. Firstly, games are highly enjoyable and provide entertainment by immersing me in thrilling virtual adventures, such as exploring dungeons, racing cars, or engaging in online battles. Secondly, games aid in the development of essential skills like strategic thinking, problem-solving, and quick decision-making, thereby enhancing cognitive abilities and problem-solving capabilities. Playing games feels like exercising my brain while having fun. Additionally, games offer excellent opportunities for social interaction. Through multiplayer games, I can connect with friends and even make new acquaintances, engaging in cooperative or competitive gameplay for an enjoyable time together. It's like socializing in a virtual realm. Lastly, games provide a sense of accomplishment and progress as I overcome challenges, unlock new levels, and earn rewards. This sense of achievement motivates me to continue improving, akin to setting goals and working diligently to attain them, resulting in a highly satisfying experience. Question 2. How has the gaming industry evolved over the years? Pause now and try to answer the question. The gaming industry has undergone remarkable evolution. It has witnessed advancements in technology, such as immersive graphics, virtual reality, and augmented reality. Additionally, gaming has become more accessible through mobile devices, reaching a wider audience. The industry has also expanded beyond traditional consoles, with the rise of online multiplayer games and the emergence of esports as a popular competitive scene. Question 3. Are there any negative effects of excessive gaming? Pause now and try to answer the question. Excessive gaming can have negative effects. It may lead to addiction, causing individuals to neglect their responsibilities, such as academics or relationships. It can also contribute to a sedentary lifestyle, as prolonged sitting and lack of physical activity are associated with health issues. Moreover, exposure to violent or inappropriate content in certain games can impact behavior, particularly in young individuals. However, it is important to note that responsible and balanced gaming can minimize these negative effects. Question 4. What role does gaming play in promoting social interactions? Pause now and try to answer the question. Gaming plays a significant role in promoting social interactions. Multiplayer online games provide platforms for players to connect and collaborate with others, fostering teamwork, communication, and cooperation. Online gaming communities allow individuals from diverse backgrounds to interact, share experiences, and form friendships. Through voice chats and online forums, gamers can engage in conversations and build social connections, transcending geographical boundaries. Question 5. Can gaming be considered a form of education? Pause now and try to answer the question. Yes, gaming can be considered a form of education. Many games incorporate elements of problem-solving, critical thinking, and strategic planning. They can enhance cognitive skills and creativity. Educational games, specifically designed for learning purposes, offer interactive and engaging experiences that help reinforce knowledge in various subjects. Additionally, simulations and serious games are used in fields like healthcare and corporate training to educate and develop practical skills. Do you have better answers? Leave a comment with your answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.